Looking at a Logan lathe, I think this is a 12-inch. Considered a 12-inch. This is the variable speed. As you can hear this does come with a collet. Collet attachment, as you can hear. Slow it back down a little bit. This lathe actually runs pretty good. The ways are in excellent shape. It does, the handles look like, I don't know if these are factory handles. This one here needs a nut. Needs a nut put on it. The keyway is in it, and it is keyed. This one here, when you spin it, you notice it kind of isn't straight, so I'm thinking it was made, like somebody made it. This has, as I said, this has the 5C collet, and that nut's sort of dinged up. Overall, looks like a 12 by 36. Overall, pretty nice little lathe for especially like a hobby machine shop. Thread dial, screw works, thing works. Seems fairly tight. This handle is a little loose on the shaft. We ran the thread for the threading, and we ran the feed. If you're looking for a nice little lathe, this is especially nice for like a hobbyist or something. It is wired 3-phase 220. And let's see, what else do I need to say? And again, the ways are in what I would consider to be excellent shape. So we thank you for your business, and have a blessed day.